Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say na politicians and their bad decisions be the cause of the suffer and hard time wey Naija people dey face. The governor tok dis one when he dey tok to the congregation of Assemblies of God Church Nigeria Edo District Convention when he joined them for Sunday service wey shele for Benin City, Edo State with the theme God Can Do All Things. Obaseki come tok say as governor, he understand the suffering of the people, and as person wey understand economics and see wetin go happen for front, he shout and talk since he become governor say if the leaders continue with the bad decisions, dem go bring hardship to Naija people. He come still talk say as a Christian and governor of Edo State, he need the church to govern, and the church join the success story of him administration sake of the collabo with the people and the church. Oga Obaseki come still talk say,
the unity of Edo is our greatest strength. So the church must join us to pray that in whatever we are doing, we must make sure that Edo is one. That every part of Edo feel that they are in Edo. And it's important, even in my succession, that we must first understand that without unity, we cannot be strong. I know as a governor, the pain that we are all going through, the suffering in the land. But unlike you, because I understand how economy works, I saw it ahead of time, and I have been shouting since I became governor, that the way we are going, the kind of decisions many of us politicians are making, the way we are going about Nigeria is only going to bring about hardship. Nigeria was never like this before. God, in his infinite mercy, has endowed Nigeria like no other country in the world. Most of us leaders don't act like Christians. And that has been my pain and fight. If you are a leader, and you are not ready to give of yourself, you think that leadership is about how much you can get, how much you can take for yourself, then I'm sorry, it's between you and God.
Edo District Superintendent of Assemblies of God Church, Reverend Paul Tangod Ekeasi, come talk say as leaders you go be topic and say he dey impressed with the explanation of Governor Obaseki concerning the projects when he dey do.
If you are a leader, you are a topic. Leaders are topics. But with my experience in leadership at the ecclesiastical circle, explanation goes a long way. Explaining to delay why things are the way they are. I am super impressed by your explanation, because the typical layman will say, why didn't the governor do this road? But you have poured your heart, explain to the constituency. Number one, it's a federal road. The next question a layman will ask, why didn't you do it? You have also answered that question. That you made an attempt and you were told, it's a federal road, we have jurisdiction over the road, and then they said we have awarded it. So as a human, your mind, you can't fight the federal. So I am enthused by this explanation. I think you have satisfied some of us who are, visitors to this place.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.